Why do smoke alarms use non-rechargeable batteries? Smoke alarms typically have low power consumption, which means that even non-rechargeable batteries can provide long enough usage. Non-rechargeable batteries are typically designed to be more stable and less likely to leak or otherwise malfunction, which is important for security devices that need to rely on battery power for long periods of time. While disposable batteries may need to be replaced during their life cycle, the cost of using non-rechargeable batteries is relatively low given the low power consumption and long-term use of smoke alarms. The use of non-rechargeable batteries simplifies the design of alarms because they do not require a built-in charging circuit or battery management system.
Thank you for watching. Go to the official website and match your solution.